Hey guys, this is Martin for TechBookPool, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the AOPOY True Wireless Earphones. These are a sports earphones set. This is a sports earphone set, and they're actually very accessible. The price is below 50 euros or below $50. What is really nice about them is that they're Bluetooth 5 compatible, and they have a little hook that goes behind your ear, so they stay nice on your ears when you do your sports. One additional thing is that they kind of, I don't know if they copied or were inspired heavily by what Apple is doing with their AirPods Pro, but if you know AirPods, then the AirPods Pro, then the nice feature that they have is that when they go inside your ear, actually inside the silicone, there is no plastic tip. So the silicone goes flush against the earphone itself, and there is no plastic tip that goes inside, and these earphones have the very same thing, so it's a little bit less obtrusive inside your ear. All right, let's open this little tiny box. I have a little key to help me out. I'll be doing a review of these as well once I've had enough time to test them properly at the gym. All right, so this is the little box. It says AOPOY Model X12, and the color is black. Additionally, yeah, not actually anything that you should be worried about, I'd say. Oh, this is what it looks like. It's a nice foamy inside, and this little pouch. All right. Ooh, what a lovely little case. Has a nice feel to it. Let me first take a look if there's anything more inside here. All right, so at the bottom we have their charging cable. It's fighting with me a little bit. Okay, let's see what it is. All right, so this is a really tiny, cute little USB-C to USB-A cable. So that's the good thing, that it actually comes with a USB-C. Apple could take note, right? And here are some replaceable tips. So as I mentioned, these earphones, they don't go deep. Well, they do go into your ear, but there is no plastic little bit that is inside the silicone. So this is what it actually looks like, the silicone part. It goes around the earphone, and this is the little silicone thing that you actually have in the earphone itself. Okay, so now let's take a look at the earphones. So you're gonna get to see them first. Wow, they're quite beautiful, actually. Nice. So let me take them out, one and the other. All right, so this is the inside of the case. If I remember correctly, this case should give you around 7 recharges, so that's pretty spectacular. And this is what the earphones look like. So this is the front. There's a little touch area over here. There's a little logo. It has one button at the top. It's all nice and soft material, like a satin finish, I would say. Here we take off of this little sticker for the charging, one and the other. And now when we put them inside the case, there's a nice right and left marker. When we put them inside the case, we can see how it's charging. So the case is a little big, compared to Apple earphones, but then again, if you compare it to the Apple Beats Pro earphones that also go around the ear, that they have a much larger case, and it doesn't recharge them 7 times like this one does, if I remember correctly. So this has been an unboxing of the AOPOY True Wireless Earphones, and I cannot wait to give them a try and see what they actually sound like. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you later. Lastly, I want to add a couple pictures from the front, slightly from the side, and last, entirely from the side, so that you can see what they actually look like. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.